How to manually add in bank feed Xero. Need to add a bank feed manually in Xero. Here's step-by-step guide on how you can do that. So first and foremost, open up Xero, select accounting, and under this you'll find bank accounts. So click bank account and then search for your bank. This is where you manage feeds and transactions. Click add bank account and then go ahead and select your bank. You can also search for it. So if your bank is not supported, choose add it manually. Enter the account name, type, and number, and this setups the account in Xero without a live feed. Download statements from your bank in CSV or QIF format. Upload them into Xero to bring in transactions. Go to reconcile, match imported transactions against invoices and expenses, and approve matches to keep your books accurate. Manual bank fees in Xero lets you stay on top of transactions, even if your bank is not supported. So just import statements and reconcile regularly. And that is the easy guide to manually adding bank fees in Xero.